Dear student, it is the continuous part of the last video. We solve this equation. We have to find capital A and also capital B value. Capital C we are using the cal C. Capital A value minus 0.69515 and capital B 315 and capital B value 2. But here we get capital A and also capital B value. But we have to find small a and also small b value. So but capital A value log of A, log A means A is equal to A can written as A small a is equal to e to the power of capital A. So that is A is equal to e to the power of minus 0.69315, that is A is equal to 0.5 and B is equal to capital B is equal to small b, small cap which is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to, given relation is y is equal to a into x to the power of b. Therefore y is equal to 0.5 into x square is the relation of the given data. So I take another problem. Fit a curve of the form y is equal to ax to the power of b for the data x value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, corresponding y value 2.98, 4.26, 5.21, 6.1, 6.8, 7.5. So first find the using the given equation. First write the normal equation. So y is equal to ax to the power of b. Here also this equation can be converted into equation of a straight line by taking log on both sides. That is log y is equal to log of a into x to the power of b. That is log of a into x to the power of b. Then again it is in the form of log of uv. Log of uv can be written as log a plus b into log x to the power of b. Again log a plus log x to the power of b, it is in the form of b log x, that is log y. So now we can written as capital Y is equal to capital A plus capital B into capital X, where capital Y is equal to log y, capital A is equal to log a, capital B is equal to small b, and capital X is equal to log x. Now write the normal equation. Normal equation is summation y is equal to na plus b into summation x. Okay, next second equation is summation xy is equal to a into capital X plus b into capital X square. Now using the given data, first we have to find summation capital Y, summation capital X, summation capital XY and summation capital X square, and n value are totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is equal to 6. Okay. Now given value x value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, y value 2.98, 4.26, 5.21, 6.1, 6.8, 7.5. First find capital X. Capital X value log x. Log x means here we use ln button because here base e is there. So capital X log 1 value 0, log 2 value 0.6931, log 3 value 1.0986, ln 4 value 1.3863, ln 5 value 1.6094, ln 6 value 1.7918. Then add the value, here we get 6.5792. Next capital Y. Capital Y means here log y, ln of 2.98 which is equal to 1.0919, ln 4.26 that is 1.4492, ln 5.21 1.6506, ln 6.1 1.8083, ln 6.8 1.9169, ln 7.2.0149. Add the value, summation y is equal to 9.9318. Okay, next here xy value 0 multiplied, this two value multiplied we get 0, 1.0044, 1.0986 into 1.6506 value 1.83133, 1.3863, 1.8083 value 2.5068, 1.6094 into 1.9169. Your 9169, which is equal to 3.0851, 1.7918 into 2.0149 value 3.6103. Add the value, summation xy value 12.0199. At last find x square, that is 0.6931 whole square value 0.4804, 1.0986 whole square value 1.2069, 1.3863 whole square value 1.9218, 1.6094 whole square value 2.5909, 1.7918 whole square value 3.2105. At last all the value we get summation x square value 9.9098. Now all the value subbed in this equation. Once again I write the equation. Okay, so that is NA plus b into summation x, which is equal to summation y. Next summation a into summation x plus b into summation x square, which is equal to summation xy. Okay, your n value total is 6, that is 6a plus summation x a value 6.5792 into b, which is equal to summation y value 9.9318. Next a into summation x, that is 6.5792b a plus x square 9.4098 into b, which is equal to xy, that is 12.0199. Now solve these two equations. Find a and also b value. A value 1.0912 and b value 0.5144. okay, but we have to find small a and also small b value, small a and also small b value, but we know that capital A is equal to log a, then a is equal to, which implies small a is equal to e to the power of a, that is a is equal to e to the power of 1.0912, then small a is equal to 2.9778, and capital B is equal to small b, that is 5.144. so the relation is y is equal to a into x to the power of b, that is y is equal to 2.9778 into x to the power of 0.5144 is the relation of the given data. Like that we have to find the equation. So, and one thing here, we use only LAN button, don't use log button in your calci. If you have any confusion or any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.